The Z Automotive Tazer Mini is a versatile tool that caters to Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT owners, offering compatibility with models from 2018 to 2026. Installation is straightforward with its plug-and-play design, allowing users to easily control settings through the vehicle's steering wheel without needing dealership assistance. With the ability to adjust over 70 features, this programmer provides extensive customization, including fog light control, navigation entry during motion, and a vacuum or boost gauge display. This device is essential for vehicle customization, offering exceptional control over a wide range of features to personalize the driving experience. Advanced lighting options include 6 preset and 3 customizable light shows, perfect for enhancing visibility during car shows or off-road adventures. Control these features conveniently from the key fob or steering wheel, making it a practical choice for both everyday use and special events.